Hey guys, today let's learn how to import Facebook picture into your Instagram iPhone. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and import your Facebook profile picture as well onto your, Instagram profile picture and have them synced, this is going to be pretty easy because all we need to do is to go ahead and access your Instagram application right here. Once you're already here, I want you to go ahead and tap on your profile on your menus, tap on your three lines at the top right corner, and I want you to tap on settings. Now once you're already here on your settings, I want you to tap on your account, and once you're already here, I want you to just scroll all the way down as you see a lot of different settings that is going to be located right here. And in the case that you guys want to go ahead and sync your profile accounts together, you can actually tap on right here to sharing to other apps, tap on Facebook, and of course log in if you haven't already logged in onto your Facebook. And as you see, you're gonna have these two options to share your Instagram posts and also your Instagram stories, so enable those if you prefer to do so, and that's all gonna be good for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.